Hey, what's up guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today got here the PBandai Astray Mirage Frames second reissue, and this is from PBandai, where I bought it from the PBandai store in Shopee, Philippines. And thank you so much PBandai for the very efficient and effective delivery of this kit, and I bought it around 2,200 pesos. Very cheap if you're buying in the PBandai store, unlike when you buy in the scalpers stores or shops. So there we go, let's check this kit out and let's see what this Astray Mirage frame from Premium Bandai Master Grade has to offer us collectors. Fangbiraan loose kits. Okay, so there we go, we got this very purple colored box here, and it's a monochrome colored Astray Mirage frame box art, and it's very nice. I really like the color of this box. Very purple and very elegant. So again, there's nothing interesting with the box because Premium Bandai boxes only got this kind of monochrome style of box art, and on the side of the box you can just read this Gundam Astray Mirage frame second reissue or second issue. Okay. So this is a librarian mobile suit, so I think this is from the manga. I'm not that familiar with this story yet. Okay, so there we go, we got the instruction manual. So the instruction manual here shows the colored picture of the Mirage frame from the box art, so same from the box art. So there we got the color guides and some logos here on the front page, and you can see the assembling process here. But the first thing, I really like to look at the runners, and there we go, we can see some parts that are not included with the kit, but this is somehow minimal, somehow, yes, because there are parts here that has so many X marks, but this is good compared with the other Premium Bandai kits that I had built before, where there are so many X marks, meaning parts that cannot be included with the kit. So again, I can say that buying PBandai is like buying trash from Bandai because of those parts that will not be included in your kit. So as you can see, so many X marks there. Very annoying anyway. So there we go, we got the application or the installation process. So it's not that hard to build because I build already so many Astrays, but this one has a new features because this is just like the Gaia Gundam, if I'm not mistaken, the one with transforming Gundam to Zoid-like, animal-like Mecha. So instead of being the original Gaia Gundam, this is like a combination of the Gaia and the Astray, something like that. Okay, so there we go. It's not that hard to build as I can assess, but there are so many small parts that I can see with the instruction manual. So I can say that this is like the 100 edge armor. So good thing I built two kinds of the 100 edge armor, so this will not be a new kit design to me. So they got the same mechanism where it can transform into a Zoid-like thing, just like the 100 edge armor and 100 edge as well. Okay. So let's go with the pack. So the color is really nice. I really like this kind of purple shade. So we got two sets or two shades of this kind of purple shade here. Very nice. I really like this kind of color, and the combination is really cool. Pinkish and purple, like that. They really complement. So we got this first pack here, second pack, third pack. The polycaps are in this kind of color, which is very cool. Okay, the fourth pack, there we go. We got stickers. The fifth, got this very large runners here, and sixth pack, seventh, eighth, and parts for the action base stand. Okay, so very nice that they included this kind of action base stand, plus the beam saber effect parts. As always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So let's start with this very nice colored pink here. We got runner D here for this torso and waist parts, runner D. Then we got this runner F for some connector parts and for the hands. Then we got here this runner Q for this scabbard, and this runner G or C1 for this purple armor parts, and another runner C1. So we got two sets of runner C1 here. Then we got this pink polycaps. We got two sets of this PC204. So I think I already encountered this with my Astray flight form or flight pack unit, but instead of this kind of pink, it's in red color. But this one, I really like the color pink. Then we got here this runner B here and runner P for this purple parts. We got this runner R for this sword sabers, or the katana sabers, but unfortunately we'll be only using one. But instead of the chrome colored silver, this is just a gray injection plastic, so it's not that shiny as the Astray red frame. And we got here runner A1 and runner A2 for the multicolored runners. We also have here runner T for this kind of multicolored runners, and it's the first time that I see that this is not the same with the runner A. Instead of runner A, it's runner T. Then we got this runner, another multicolored one here for runner MA2, like this. Then we got this pink runners for runner MB1. Then there we go, we got to see the action or the pilot figure of Rondo Gina Sahaku. Yes, this one. So it's very cool. He's wearing cape there. It's very majestic compared with the other pilot figure that we almost encounter or always encounter with the master grade models. Then we got here runner MA1 for another multicolored part. So there are so many multicolored runner here. Then we got this small runners, series of small runners. We got runner O, runner G, runner O again. So we got two sets of runner O, and this runner S, this small runner here. Then we got this beam saber effect parts, color pink, and this one is really different compared with the traditional or the standard beam saber effect parts, the clear pink one. So this one, it's like the saber or the double-edged sword style of beam saber effect parts. Then we got this pink runner again for runner MB2. Then we got this very large or small runners or small pieces in a large runner. So this is runner E1. We got 2 sets of this, and then we got runner H2 for this kind of parts or pieces. We got also wire. So this wire is a bit they call this very soft. I thought this will have a copper inside, but no, it doesn't have, because if there's a copper here, this will be very moldable, but this one it's not, so there's no copper inside of this. Okay, so we got foil stickers here for the eyes and for this kind of yellow, and like this for the lenses, camera. And we got this water slide decals, and this water slide decals here is very nice. We got this kind of logos here for the librarian works, and we got other kind of logos here, so it's up to you which kind of logo are you going to use. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching this unbox review of the Gundam Astray Mirage frame 2nd issue, and see you next time on the finished build of this kit. Goodbye, Gobs, and take care. This Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio.